Welcome back to Factful Finance. Imagine this. You're scaling your affiliate business, but it feels like you're treading water instead of making real progress. The effort is there, but the results just don't seem to match. Now, what if I told you that the secret to unlocking your next level of success might be hiding in plain sight? AI tools. Yes, artificial intelligence isn't just for tech giants anymore. It's your new best friend for scaling your affiliate marketing efforts efficiently and profitably. Today, in part 23 of our How to Make Money with AI series, we're diving deep into the best AI tools that will help you scale your affiliate business like never before. These tools can save you time, enhance your strategy, and ultimately boost your income. So, buckle up, because we're about to transform the way you work. Now, before we jump into the tools, let's talk about the why. According to a recent survey by McKinsey, businesses using AI report a 40% increase in productivity and efficiency. That's not a typo. It's 40%. Imagine applying that boost to your affiliate business. You'd be saving time, reducing manual tasks, and driving more conversions with less effort. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, this dream can be your reality. But here's a disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Any mention of apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. All right, let's dive into the meat of it. Here are the top AI tools that can skyrocket your affiliate business. Step 1. SEMrush, the ultimate SEO companion. Search engine optimization (SEO) is the backbone of affiliate marketing. If you want to drive organic traffic to your affiliate links, you need to rank high in search engines. That's where SEMrush comes in. With its AI-powered keyword research tools, SEMrush can help you find the best keywords to target, analyze competitors, and track your SEO progress. The tool also provides suggestions for content improvement based on your target keywords, ensuring that your posts always hit the mark. Case study. Take Olivia, a successful affiliate marketer in the health and wellness niche. She used SEMrush to identify high-converting keywords related to her products and optimize her website content. Within 3 months, her organic traffic increased by 75%, leading to a significant boost in commissions. Number 2. Jasper AI. Content creation made easy. You know that content is king in affiliate marketing, but let's be real. Creating high-quality content consistently can be draining. Jasper AI uses advanced natural language processing to help you generate blog posts, social media updates, and even email newsletters, all tailored to your affiliate products. With Jasper, you can produce content at lightning speed without sacrificing quality. Real-world example. Liam, an affiliate marketer in the tech space, was struggling to maintain a steady flow of content. After implementing Jasper, he managed to triple his content output, allowing him to target more keywords and increase affiliate sales by 60% in just 2 months. Surfer SEO. On-page optimization with AI precision. Once you've got your keywords, the next step is to make sure your content is optimized to perfection. Enter Surfer SEO. This tool uses AI to analyze top-ranking pages and provide you with a comprehensive content audit. It gives you a clear picture of what elements like word count, backlinks, and keyword usage need improvement. Surfer SEO's AI helps you align your content with Google's ranking factors, increasing the likelihood of higher rankings and more traffic to your affiliate links. Number 4. Copy.ai. AI-powered copywriting for affiliates. When it comes to affiliate marketing, your copy can make or break your sales. Crafting persuasive, high-converting copy isn't always easy, but Copy.ai changes the game. This AI tool generates sales copy, product descriptions, email subject lines, and more, helping you craft content that connects with your audience and drives conversions. Example: Noah, an affiliate marketer focusing on software tools, used Copy.ai to write email campaigns that resulted in a 45% increase in open rates and a 25% boost in affiliate sales over 6 months, all with less time spent writing. 5. Pictory. Video content creation on autopilot. Video marketing is one of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products, but creating engaging videos can be time-consuming. Pictory is an AI tool that allows you to transform blog posts into professional videos in just minutes. It can analyze your content, generate a script, and even create voiceovers, all while maintaining high-quality standards. Plus, with YouTube being a major traffic driver for affiliate marketers, Pictory is a game changer for video content creation. Real-world scenario: Amelia runs an affiliate business promoting travel gear. She started using Pictory to turn her blog posts into YouTube videos. Within weeks, her subscriber count exploded, and her affiliate commissions grew exponentially due to the increased visibility. 6. AdX AI, Smart Ad Optimization. If you're using paid ads to promote your affiliate products, AdX AI is a must-have. This AI tool automatically optimizes your ads based on real-time data, ensuring that you're spending your ad budget effectively. AdX helps you identify the best-performing ads, targeting strategies, and platforms for maximum ROI. Say goodbye to manual adjustments and hello to data-driven ad success. Case study: Henry, an affiliate marketer in the fashion niche, saw his ROI triple after integrating AdX AI into his campaigns. The tool continuously adjusted his ads, making his paid campaigns much more efficient. 7. ClickFunnels, AI-driven sales funnels. Effective sales funnels are crucial for affiliate marketing success. ClickFunnels is an AI-powered tool that helps you build optimized sales funnels that guide potential buyers from awareness to purchase. It automatically adjusts its funnel strategies based on the data it collects, ensuring that your affiliate products are positioned for maximum conversions. Example: Ava, an affiliate marketer in the fitness industry, used ClickFunnels to create automated sales funnels for her health-related affiliate products. Over 6 months, she saw a 50% increase in conversions and a 30% boost in affiliate revenue. Final thoughts. There you have it, the best AI tools that will help you scale your affiliate business and make more money with less effort. These tools save time, improve your productivity, and optimize your marketing efforts, all of which contribute to one thing: increased affiliate revenue. But remember, the key to success with AI is using it strategically. It's not about replacing the human touch. It's about empowering you to do more with less. Which tool are you most excited to try out? Drop a comment below. I'm curious to hear what you think. If you found this video helpful, you'll love what's coming next. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button so you can take your affiliate marketing to the next level. As always, this content is for educational purposes only, and any mention of apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Please consult a certified financial professional for personalized advice. Thanks for tuning in to Factful Finance.